This is Mohammed Qasim, and I'm a professional software engineer from 7 years, and I'm working with the Swift development from last 7 years. So after that much experience, I was thinking to make some helpful materials to help the community or software developers, those are coming or and learning newcomers, for example. So this video is for intermediate developers. Like, do you want to master Swift API data parsing within 15 minutes? If so, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to use the Codable protocol, generics, error handling, and the solid principle to write clean and maintainable code for handling JSON data from APIs. You will see how to use QuickType, URL session, llama-fire, and JSON snake casing to make your data parsing easier and faster. This video is part 1 of the series that will teach you everything you need to know about Swift API data parsing in fast-paced and practical ways. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will help you level up your Swift skills and impress your future employers or client. Watch the video now and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and that will encourage me more as I'm doing much struggle for you guys. Thank you. Now let me start this tutorial session. So now firstly, what we have we will discuss solid principle and API calls, generics, and error handling. So this is going to be a part 1. So let me share you something how we will do API parse. For that we need to have JSON. Before of the JSON we should have URL. Let me show you. This is, we have API JSON. So now what we have to do with this JSON, we have to put this into there. This is already I made it before, so let me change this. So now let me come back JSON. See, now what we have to do, we can make the change the outlet. So now we have our JSON into object. We can do this plain types, simple plain types. Other than, we can do var, let, and properties to be optional. So after that, what we will do, we will copy this all and we will paste this into our project. This is outlet model. This is outlet model and keys. So this is error handling, custom error handling. So now what the thing we need it for, we need network manager next. This is the network manager. In this network manager, I made one simple API call with the use of generics, and I used Codable to be parse the data, and I used food outlet error to be custom error handling. So now for this call I'm using data task and URL session data task. Data response and error is going to be returned back to me, and this is network error. I'm using this for this is no data error, and this is decoding error. Depending on the errors, we can customize our errors. So now if error is nil, the data will come here, and if the data has any issue, then if data is not there, unless even though error is not there and data is empty, then this error will show. Otherwise the data will come here, and we will decode our strategy on the basis of snake cased or whatever the JSON we have. For example, in this example we have snake casing JSON variables. So we have to do the snake case strategy. So then a response will come, and this response is going to be parsed with the generics of Codable outlet object, and then it's going to be written back to the controller. And this controller, what we have in this controller, we are giving URL to the API call with the help of API manager object, and then we have error. If we don't have any error, then the API response is going to be printed. So now I'm trying to call the API, and then we will see what we have in this. I have already prepared many projects for you guys, and I will share you that all projects in coming days. And you can see solid principles, SwiftUI, complex navigations. This is another topic I already prepared. Composed architecture, detailed memory management. We can Swift. We can use C++ inside the Swift. It's clean architecture, coordinator pattern. We can use our own custom pods, and many things we can without storyboard. You can do the code, and I will teach you in future how to you can convert your Swift UI application into UIKit application into Swift UI code, and other interviews, tricks and tips. So hopefully this is going to be run, and within this time I can share you with that. So within this solid principle, I already prepared the code for you guys, and this code is going to be helpful to you to maintain your mobile application within scale. So now I get back to the solid principle. Very initial, I already made this tutorial for you before 2-3 weeks back. So now I'm recording this all, and the repository of this tutorial I will share in my YouTube channel, and you will get this all project code from there, and I will share all the detail. Even I will include unit testing into that, and solid principle complete details, how we will use that solid principle, and how it's going to be affect our application, how it's going to be scaleful our project, and each and everything you will get to know about solid principle and maintainability of the code and breakpoints on that. And you will see now this is going to be called the API, and now session is going to be start. Session is started, and API call is Done. Error is not there. We have data. We have to parse this data. So decodable is there. So now outlet object with the codable, it's going to be parsed. We have response now. Let me see for response. This is the response we have. Yes, we have the response now. So let us see our response is getting printed or not. Yes, this is printed successfully. So we have to check the page, total pages, and the data. So now we have data as well. So it's another array within the response. Now I need to print each items of the array, and within that item I have to print the properties as well. So now every property of the arrays object is going to be printed now. So let me you can see all of them. So this is the tutorial, very simple. So hopefully it's going to be helpful to you guys to understand how the things is going to be work for you. And now this is you can this is very simple thing, and this will be problematic if you are not managing your code in a way that it should be in large scale application. So in part 2 I will try to guide you all the techniques that is going to be helpful for a large scale application, where you can use uh, solid principle, and this application is going to be used MVVM architecture. In future I will share other things as well. So please do subscribe my channel and share the video, and that is going to be encourage me, and is going to be support me. If you need any question, you can put a comment on, and I will make another video for that answer, and if you need it for. Thank you for giving me your time.